I don't know if Igbo people are my problem or non-Igbos using Igbo names on social media. Sorry, I lost my voice, but I still have to do this video because it's getting too much. It is because I've been keeping quiet, or some of us that are from River State, that are as in from Igbo communities in River State. Let me tell you, in this River State of ours, Igbo is the majority in this River State. If you do not know it now. If communities in River State come out, you should know that Igbos are majority. Look at what this one said. His Igbo name. He said, Okapita. He said, you guys are not Igbo. This one, I know say this one no go school. You no understand. The difference between where you are born and your tribe. That these things are different. You can be born in America and you're an American citizen. But your tribe, you cannot do away with it. Only thing you cannot be able to choose in this life is your tribe or your parents. That is the only thing you cannot be able to choose. But I'm Amnonia. If it's Igbo, I don't know, or non-Igbo. Now listen. UG Stephen, the same thing. He said, now because of Una people, they insult Igbo well for online, calling us land grabbers and unity beggars. I beg, make Una day Una way, make we rest. I don't understand. Make Una day Una way. Let me tell you, no community can come out and say their community is called Igbo. No community can come out and say that. Nobody owns this Igbo. Maybe you don't understand. It's a tribe. We all found ourselves in this. Even if you are in other countries and you are actually seeing something that is synonymous to what you are doing, your tradition, everything, even your language, you people are the same, no matter where you are. Yorubas in other countries, like Benin Republic, knows that they are Yoruba. And you, make I not talk too much. Let me just read this out. Yes, Maazi Ebuka, he said, you people are from Benin. I beg, make I know hear you. Make I know here you are from Igbo again. I don't understand this people at all. They are irritating me. They are actually irritating me so much. The other one, and HER, he said, you people initially said you are not Igbo. Immediately after the civil, we Igbos are suspecting your Igbo-ness or identity. I'm saying, I don't know if my problem is with Igbo people or non-Igbos using names. I just decided to bring out this few. But it is annoying you telling me where I am from. It is annoying, as old as I am, you are telling me that I'm not from here. I'm now what you say, this is where I'm from. And you know the truth. And you are bending it this way. I don't want to say much. But Igbo Amaka first, good. Igbo Amaka. But no internet data. Uche. Oh my God, I can't maybe be online today because of my voice, but because of you people, and I will never stop because that anybody from River State put say I'm Igbo, you begin to attack the person for what? You cannot do it on my page. You can go elsewhere and do it.